Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best lapidary trim saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the HighTech Diamond 6 inches Lapidary Trim Saw. With power and precision, this high-tech model arrives with 2 saw blades for cutting different materials. A silver-cut diamond saw blade for cutting rocks and minerals, and a red sintered diamond saw blade for cutting glass, topaz, fine agates, and quartz. It has a 1/4 HP engine that provides a variable speed between 800 revolutions per minute and 3,400 revolutions per minute, depending on your desired speed. The coolant reservoir builds into the base of the saw directly under the blade. It can carry up to 16 ounces of water and puts the blade wet while it spins. The blade's spray shield also helps to drip water onto the blade frequently. The removable saw table has an ample surface area of 15.5 inch by 9 inches broad. The trim saw has a vise attachment that keeps your hands away from the blade and helps you make more precise cuts. Add to this, it has a spray shield and an Allen wrench. It's built from lightweight and rust-resistant material, as it is movable so you can carry it anywhere you want. Moving on, at number 4, we have the HighTech Diamond 10-inch Lapidary Slab Saw. This 10-inch high-tech lapidary saw is economical and straightforward for slabbing more large materials into more flexible workpieces. This is why it takes the second position in our list. It has sufficient strength with its 1/3 HP motor and 2 10-inch blades for creating more massive cuts and produces a constant 1725 RPM speed. Moreover, it adds a vise attachment and comprehensive printed as well as visual directions. It comes with additional accessories, a spray shield, and an Allen wrench to enhance your stonework proficiency. Taking about building material, the manufacturer makes it by unbreakable and cross-linked polyethylene. For this reason, it is known as an impact-resistant and rust-proof unit. The inbuilt coolant reservoir can contain up to 32 ounces of water, and after using the drain plug facilitates fast and easy cleanup. At number 3, we have the Angelloong Mini Table Jewelry Lapidary Saw. This model of Angelloong produces this multi-purpose lapidary trim saw at a budget price. Not only does it trim but also combines buffing, grinding, and carving functions as well. Moreover, the other added feature is it works as a sander as well. The 110 volts motor produces flawless speed adjusted between 0 to 10,000 RPM and makes for easy and time-efficient operations. With this speed, it can cut a large piece of material quickly. The adjustable angle ruler gives precise maneuvering powers. Add to that the multifunctional design allows you to use it in a broad application. Other facilities feature the 2-wheel buffer machine with 6-inch wheels, 2 blades that can cut 30mm objects, fiber wheel, jade carving disc, and wood cutting disc. This versatile saw can be usable with 2 different types of grit at a time. It buffs smoothly and quietly with a blade guard to block particles and protect your eyes. This multifunctional trim saw is suitable for crushing, trimming, shaping, and smoothing different materials like jewelry, precious metal, aluminum, chrome, jade, plastic, wood, paper, model, and other items. At number 2, we have the Mophorn Multifunctional Jewelry Rock Saw. This multi-operative lapidary trim saw from Mophorn can fix any cutting job for professionals to DIY users who may require accurate finishing. The most exciting feature of this trim saw is that it's lightweight and portable to move from one place to another quickly. Also, it has a multi-angle calibration capacity to cut width angle with careful and safe controlling. The water cooling system continuously reduces blade temperature while cutting to work for an extended period. At the same time, it works to block spatters and repels water leakage. The advanced safety features are equipped with 2 rubber damping pads to absorb the shock and help depress the vibrations while the machine is in service. Also, they prevent the device from moving places due to vibrations. Furthermore, the power switch has two power indicators for safety, one is red, and another is green. The carbon brush cover mounting port is replaceable with a flat blade screwdriver. This saw is suitable for the beeswax, nephrite, wood, amber, Bodhi and many other materials. And finally at number 1, we have the SKIL 3540-02 trim saw for lapidary. This 7-inch saw is suitable to use for installing or replacing floor tiles. It is constructed with durable and quality material for long-term usage. Moreover, the stainless steel tabletop combats corrosion even after the daily repeated operation. You will be impressed with the saw package that arrives with the adjustable rip fence and miter gauge to make more accurate and straight cuts. The saw table can provide 0 to 45-degree bevel cuts for making a wide variety of styles or shapes of tiles with perfect precision quickly. Eventually, the blade cooling reservoir reduces the blade temperature and restricts from heating up. The constant water flow controls the dust and debris to a minimum to ensure a clean work area. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.